Hi everyone, welcome to Interesting Info to learn something interesting. Out of sight, out of mind. Moving into video. Yeah, you guessed it right. It's about cyclone. Today let's know about the first supercyclonic storm in Bay of Bengal since 1999, Ampan. Before that, what is a supercyclone? A rapidly rotating storm with spiral arrangement of thunderstorm rains, a low pressure center, otherwise an eye, and strong winds is a supercyclone. Usually, they form over large bodies of warm water deriving energy from evaporation of water from the surface. The warm air flows outwards. The rapidly rising air recondenses into clouds and then rains. Usually, these cyclones are low pressure systems. The inner zone will be calm and the airflow will be descending. In short, supercyclone is a cyclonic disturbance in which maximum wind speed is 120 knots and above. Back to Ampan, otherwise Ampan. The word Ampan means sky, said the meteorologist of Bangladesh Meteorological Department. The cyclonic storm, which formed in the Bay of Bengal on last Saturday, fizzled out in Bangladesh after one final assault in West Bengal on Thursday, turning the death counts from 12 to 72 overnight. During the cyclone's 9-hour march through 7 South Bengal districts on Wednesday, many houses were collapsed, rivers overran farmlands throughout the Sundarbans, damaging acres and acres of standing crops. The damage still being accessed and is believed to be more extensive than what Cyclone Aila had caused 11 years ago. Compensations have been announced for the damages, though it takes time to turn back to normal life. Do you know something? There is a procedure to finalize a list of tropical cyclone names in any ocean. That is the naming procedure. First list came out in 2004 with 8 countries suggesting 64 names, and Ampan was the last name left from that list. India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Maldives, Oman, Pakistan, Thailand, and Sri Lanka were the 8 countries that suggested those 64 names on 2004. Now, another list has been finalized which has 169 names given by 13 countries. Iran, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Yemen are the new countries along with the previous list. The names from this list will be used for future cyclones in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Why is it important to name the cyclones? Well, naming cyclones makes it easier for people to remember them. According to Hurricane Research Division, tropical cyclones are named to provide ease of communication between forecasters, watches, and warnings. It would be easy to ring the emergency bells on its development and raise warnings to increase community preparedness. I will explain the detailed description on naming the cyclones in the next video. Now comes the bonus information. The next cyclone will be called as Nisarga given by Bangladesh, then it will be Gati given by India, and so on. The names are used sequentially and column wise. If you like the info, click on thumbs up. For more videos like this, support us by your subscription. Make sure that you share the video to your friends. Our mistakes are accepted and rectified through your comments. Bye bye.